Hello, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper. In this video I'll show you how to enable TalkBack mode. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone. And now search for TalkBack. It should be in accessibility. Go to TalkBack and now press this button to enable this function. Follow the tutorial to learn how to use TalkBack.
Next. Drag your finger to explore. Next. Next. Cape. Cape. Next. Cape. Next. Ready. TalkBack. Allow.
And to disable it, press this button again, or press volume buttons both simultaneously.
Volume muted. To change the accessibility volume on. Stop.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.